Alright guys, welcome you to this video. So in today's training, I'm going to show you how to design a 5D Bitcoin investments website. Okay, so I will show you how to design this website. You can see how beautiful this site is. Okay, it has a lot of features. Okay, it has a lot of features. I will show you how to design this site, and you can go ahead to charge your client between 200k to 800k to design this kind of site. Okay, I charge 300k above to design this kind of website. Okay, so you can go ahead and charge as high as this to get this done for your clients. Okay, because this has a lot of features, robust features. Do you understand? So that's it. For international countries, you can charge between $500 to $2,000 to get this done for your clients. Do you understand? So I'm gonna walk you through on how to go about this. Okay, you can see this site has a lot of features. You can see the login page. When you click on login, you'll be taken to the sign-in page. Okay, here users can sign into their account. Okay, same goes when you click on the sign up page, that's the register button. They can be able to sign up for an account. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to edit this, design the site. Okay, you don't need to um, you don't need the knowledge of programming to get this done. Just follow my steps. It's very easy. You can follow my steps and get this done. Okay, I'll be giving you access to softwares which you'll be using to develop this site. Okay, so as I always recommend, before you get started, the first thing you need to do is to get a domain name and hosting. And I always recommend Namecheap because they are one of the best and most reliable hosting platform that you can purchase domain and hosting package from. Hope you get that. So this is the website www.namecheap.com. So when you click on this website, this is what the interface looks like. So on this section, what you then do is type in, let's say you want to, the name of the domain you want to use is Mastel BTC. Let's say this is the name of the domain you want to use for your site. Just click on search. Okay, when you click on search, you'll be taken to this section where you'll be shown a lot of domain names that are available. You can see .com is available for $8. Okay, same goes to master.net is available for $8. So let's, before then, let me cancel out this, let me delete this. Okay, let me delete this. So what you then do is just go ahead and add these two cards. Once you've added these two cards, the next thing you have to do is to add a hosting package. Okay, so select the shared hosting package. Okay, so you can, the first plan is okay. You can get started with using this first plan. Okay, so both the domain name and the hosting package will cost you about $35. So what you then do is you click on add to carts. Okay, once you've added these two cards, you'll be taken to the section where you make payments. You can see this is the domain name. Okay, this is the standard, the hosting package, and you can see this is a yearly plan. So you then click on confirm order. When you click on confirm order, you'll be taken to a section where you will then add your card details so you can make payments for your hosting and domain package. Hope you get that. So that's it. If you find this difficult, or if you experience any form of difficulties while trying to purchase the minimum on the hosting, you can chat me up. I can get this done for you. You don't need to pass all this stress. You don't need to pass through all this stress to get this done. We can get this done for you. So that's it. Once you've gotten, after you've made purchase, Namecheap will they will send you your cPanel login details. So to log into your cPanel will be your domain name / cPanel. Okay, so once you've logged in, you'll be taken to dashboard. You'll be taken to an interface like this. Let me quickly log into my account dashboard. Okay, so come down to hosting list. Let me log into my cPanel dashboard. So once you've logged into your cPanel dashboard, you'll be taken to an interface that looks like this. Okay, this is what the interface looks like. This is what your cPanel looks like. So what you then do is come down to File Manager. Just search for File Manager. Okay, when you click on File Manager, then the software that will be giving you, you'll be uploading this software on your public_html. The software that will give to you, I will make sure you upload this on your public_html. But you can also upload it on the domain name which you purchase. Okay, the domain name which you purchase, you can also upload it. but I advise you upload this on your public underscore HTML. No, that's if you're doing this for a client. Upload the software that will give you on your public underscore HTML. But due to I'm using this for a practical purpose, I'm gonna create a folder for this under my public underscore HTML. So I will go ahead and click on folder. I can name this BTC Hub. I can name this folder BTC Hub. Right, so I'll go ahead and click on create folder. Okay, so after that I will open this, then upload the softwares that I'll be using to design this site. Okay, so let me quickly locate my software. Look at this site. Okay, so this is the front end interface of my site. Okay, so don't worry. Sorry. Okay, I think I was logged out. Let's go ahead to upload this once more. Okay, it's now coming up. It's coming up. Okay, it's coming up. All right, we have finished our sites. Our zip file has finished uploading. So make sure this turns to green. Then you click on your back button. Okay, so what you then do is you extract this file. Let's extract this. Let's extract this. Okay, you have extracted that. Then you can go ahead to delete this. You don't need this zip file anymore. Confirm trash, delete. Then open this. Okay, so all these files move. You're gonna move this on your own case. You're meant to move this on your public underscore HTML. Okay, but so I created a folder for this, so I'll move this to the folder which I've created. Do you understand? So I'll then click on move files. Okay, so let me open this. You can see all the files are now moved in this section. So let me delete this folder because I don't also need this. Okay, so the next thing you then need to do is let's try loading our sites. So our domain name / BTC Hub. Okay, awesome. Hope you have seen that. Hope you have been able to our site has finished loading. You can see how awesome this is. This is really awesome. This is amazing. We have finished loading our site. Okay, so let me show you how the next thing we need to do is to configure this login and register button. But before then, let's go ahead to upload the script for that. Let's upload our main script. So what we then need to do is we are gonna create another folder our BTC Hub. We are going to create another folder for the main script. So you can name this back, then click on create folder. Okay, so this folder is where we are going to upload our main script. Right, so click on upload, select file, come down to the downloads, come down to okay, this is the main script. This is the main script of our sites, where we'll be able to configure the login and register pages. Right, so that's for it. So what we do now is we need to create a database. Let's quickly create a database. Just search for database. Let's create a database for these sites. Right, so you can name this BTC. You can name this BTC Hub. Right, then click on next step. Okay, then for the database name, you can name this BTC. You can name this BTC Hub user for the database name. Then for the password generator, this generating password, you can go with this. But make sure you remove any special character. Make sure you remove the special characters. Okay, so let's go with this. Okay, make sure you copy this, copy your password, because we're gonna use this. You're gonna need that. So make sure you copy your password. Paste this right here. Okay, then click on I've copied, then use password, then click on create user. Okay, so once you create your user, make sure you copy these informations, because we're gonna use this information. Make sure you copy them and copy that and paste that on your notepad or somewhere else. Okay, then you select all privileges, then click on next step. Alright, so we have successfully created our database users. So let's go ahead to upload the SQL file of this database. So what you then do is search for phpMyAdmin. Okay, that's where you upload the SQL file of your database. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's still loading. It's still loading. BTC Hub. Okay, you can see this database that we just created. So make sure you're clicking on the right one. Make sure you're clicking on the right database. Then click on import. Okay, so select click on the choose files. Okay, then open this. Don't worry, I'll give you access to this document. Okay, so this is the SQL. Okay, then click on open. Okay, then you click on go. It's coming up. It's coming up. Awesome, awesome. This is amazing. You can see we have been able to upload our SQL file. Okay, we have been able to upload our SQL file. So let's check. Our script is still loading. The script is still loading. Okay, so before then, let me quickly show you how we can be able to edit the text on the front end of our sites. Okay, let me quickly show you how to edit this. If you want to edit the text on the front end of your site, you can start by editing the company name. Okay, you can see the name of this company is www.intextbinaryworld. That's the company name. So we're gonna start by editing the company's name to our own name, and also every other information. Wherever we see www.anytext, we are gonna change that to www.richydigitalagency.com. Okay, right? So that's what we're gonna do now. So let's go with richydigitalagency/BTC Hub, right? So that's what we're gonna do now. So to get this done, what you would first do is take note of the pages. We have the home page, we have the about us page, we have the plans, we have the rules and rest of them, right? So we're gonna start with the home, the first page. So when you click on home, you can see this the directory of the home. Okay, now our home page is our BTC Hub, that's the folder, then /index, that's the directory of the home page, right? So let's locate this on our cPanel under our file manager. Okay, BTC Hub, index BC14, right? So right click on this, then edit. All right, so which text are we going to change? Okay, we are going to change wherever we see sorry for that. Let me reload this. Control F5. Right, so what we are going to do here is now is whenever we see www.anytextbinaryworld, we are gonna change that to our company's name, which is Richy Digital Agency. Right, so let's copy this, then open up our index. Okay, so that's it. This we have a lot of lines of code. Is more than 900. I think it's up to 900. So to get this done, instead of doing this one wall, this will be time to consume of our time. Okay, so what you then do is just click on Ctrl F. Okay, then search for you paste the name that you want to search for. Okay, so whenever we see www.emitters binary word, we want to change that to www.richydigitalagency / BTC hub, right? So you now copy this. No, I don't want this. So I'm gonna copy this. Okay, then start by pasting this on this section. Okay, just come and paste this on this section, then click on replace all, right? We have been able to replace all. From www.emitters.word notes. Then click on save changes to see if these changes has taken effect. So let's load our site. Let's see if our changes, let's see if the change that we made. Awesome. Hope you have seen that. We have been able to change the company name from Emitters World to www.richydigitalagency. So that's how you also edit any text you want to edit on this site. Okay, that's how you edit any text you want to edit on this site. If you want to also edit the copyright, okay, what you have to do is just come down to this section. You can close this, we don't need this. Then search for, let's say 2022. Hope you have seen that. This is the footer section. You can see you can change the copyright, then put any name that you want to put on that section. Okay, same goes for the cost support email. Okay, same goes for the support email. You can see this is the company's custom email support at. We have seen that. So let's create our support mail. Let's create our custom mail. To create your custom mail, what you have to do is just search for email accounts. Then click on create. Okay, so then for the username, just let's say support at richydigitalagency.com, or let's go with admin. Admin at richydigitalagency. So for the password, you can generate any password. Then click on create. You can see we have successfully created our custom email. So let's copy this. Let's paste this on our notes, because we're gonna need this. Admin at richydigitalagency. Okay, so come down to this section where we are meant to set this up. Then erase this. We can put our own custom email. Okay, so when you click on save changes, let's see if we have been able to change this. Hope you have seen that we have been able to change that from support to our own custom mail. Hope you have seen that. So that's how you also go ahead to edit the office address. Okay, let's say you want to work on the office address. What you then need to do is just search for office address. When you search for office address, you can see for our office addresses where you can change the information. Okay, so that's how you can be able to change any information on the home page. Okay, that's how you can be able to change all these informations. Okay, same goes for the about us page. When you want to work on the about us page, Okay, to work on the buttons page, you need to also change every pages. Okay, so if I were you, what you do is, let's close this. If I were you, what you do is make sure you change all these files, open all these files and change for the same procedure, and change for the about us page. To change the about us page, you can see the directory is index47e.html. so when you click on index 47, this for index 47, so this is the about us page. You right click, edit. Okay, right click, edit, then follow the same process. Click on Ctrl F. No, replace, change this title name, change everything, to your whatever you want to put on that section. So that's how you can get this done. It's so simple. It's very simple. So our main file has finished uploading. So let's click on back. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Okay, this is it. Um, sorry for that. Open this. Okay, now this particular file, where is it? BTC Hub back. Um, on the back button. Okay, okay, like I said, our main script, we are meant to upload this main script on the back. Okay, so let's go ahead to upload this main script on the back folders. Let's make sure you upload. I think a big mistake was made. Okay, we were meant to upload that on the back folder. Okay, so make sure you upload the main script in the back folder, then click on upload. Okay, it's coming up. So I'm gonna upload this video. All right, we have finished uploading this, so let's click on the back button. Good. This script should be this is the right place it's meant to be. So what you then need to do is to extract. Okay, you extract files. All right, we have successfully extracted the files. So go ahead to edit the zip file. Edit the zip file, then delete this. All right, okay, let's reload this. BTC Hub back. Very well, we are on the right track. So the next thing we need to do now is just click on config. We need to configure the database, the DB, then right click, then edit. All right, for the username, you open up your notepad. Okay, copy this database password I've created. Okay, you copy this, then carefully edit this. Make sure no mistake should be tolerated on this section. Okay, just take it step by step. Edit. Okay, so same goes for the username. The user, copy this, then the user. Okay, then paste. All right, once that has been done, we also copy the database. Copy this as the database name. Also place that on this section. Awesome. Okay, so once that has been done, go ahead and save changes. Okay, save changes. Then let's now go ahead to reload our site. Let's reload our site. Okay, all right, what we are going to do now is let's go ahead to configure the login and registration page. You can see when you click on this login page, you can see this is what is being out. So let's try to retrieve the login and registration page. So to do that, what you then need to do is to come to your cPanel. Let's close this. Okay, so our login page would be BTC Hub. Open this. Okay, then open back, then open users, open your form. Okay, this is it. So copy this, copy your domain, copy the this is the folder, right? Copy this and place this. You can place this on your, what's it called, on your notes. Okay, so to retrieve our signing page, copy this signing, copy this, open up your notepad, and also place this slash signing. Okay, so we also have to copy this. Sorry, also have to copy this, slash sign up. Let's copy this, highlight this, copy, then place this on this section. So now to retrieve, to log into our login page would be our domain name slash the folder slash back slash users slash form slash sign in. Okay, so let's go ahead to test run this to see if it will work. Let's go ahead to test run this to see if it will work. Okay, let's open this in a new tab. Let's be Richy digital slash. Alright, so our signing page will be our domain name slash. Let's remove this, then paste again, then paste. So let's load this to see if we okay. Hope you have seen that. We have been able to log into our sign up page. Okay, this is our sign up page. So let's also try see if we'll be able to log into our sign up page. What we just logged in was our login page. So let's see if we'll be able to log into our sign up page. Okay, so our domain name slash folder slash packs and the rest of them. Then paste this on this section. Let's see if this will take us to our sign up page. Awesome. Hope you have seen that. We have been able to retrieve both the sign in and sign up, right? So the next thing we're gonna do now is this. Okay, so we are going to configure this, the sign up and the login page on this section. So whenever we click on login, we'll be taken to the login page. Whenever we click on sign up, that's register, it will take us to the sign up page, right? So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so to do that, let's quickly go ahead to configure this. So to get this done, where we'll be able to do this is our home page. Okay, we'll be able to do this on our home page. Okay, so let's now go ahead to copy. Make sure you copy the sign up. Sorry, yeah, this is the login. This is the login page. So copy this, then quickly open up your folder. That's BTC Hub. Open this up. Okay, then let's open the home page. Okay, 47. Let's be sure. Okay, 14. 47. 14. Okay, so this is the home page. The edit. Alright, so what you then do is just click on Ctrl F. Okay, search for login. Start by searching for login. So just type in login. We have seen login. This is the login link. So start by editing this. Sorry, login. Okay, start by editing from this section. Then paste this right here. Okay, that's for the login. Okay, so that's for this login. So let's also copy for the sign up. This is the sign up link. Let's also copy this. Then come down to the register section. That's it from here. Then edit this sign up link. Then paste our link. Okay, so click on the next login. We also need to change the login on the slider. Because you've seen this, the login and the register and the login, we need to also change this. That's what we're about to do. So this for the, let's start with the sign up. Okay, let's edit this, then paste the sign up link. Okay, let's also copy the sign in. Okay, then edit the sign in link, then paste that right here, right away. Okay, so once I've done that, you go ahead and save changes. Then let's reload our site to see what you have done. Let's load our site to see if these changes has taken effect. Network interrupted. Alright, so let's click on login. Boom. This is really awesome. Hope you've seen that. Register. Boom. You can see how responsive it is. Register. This is really awesome. I love this. Okay, same goes for the login. When you click on the login, you'll be taken to login. You can see how responsive it is. Okay, so that's how you edit or configure the login and the register button. Same thing goes for the about us page. Follow the same procedure and also configure the about us page, because when you click on this login, it won't work. Okay, it will take you to the link page. You can see, so through the same process the way I did for the home, and configure the about us page, the plans, rules, frequently asked questions, and also contact us page, right? So through the same procedure and edit everything, right? So that's what you have to do. So right now, next thing we're gonna do now is to retrieve the administrative end, where you can manage your users and also perform and control what happens on the back end of this site, right? So to retrieve the administrative end, it will be BTC Hub. Let's click on BTC Hub, back, admin, C2 admin, then copy this. This is the link. This is how you retrieve the administrative end. This is how you retrieve the administrative link. Then paste this right here, slash sign in. Slash sign in. Come on. Then paste this right here. Okay, so this we administrative login page. Okay, our domain name slash the folder slash back slash admin slash SWAT admin slash sign in. So let's go ahead to see if we'll be able to log in to the administrative end. Okay, sorry, we didn't put our domain name, which is this. All right, so let's load this up. Let's load this. Oh, so sorry for that. Register slash okay slash okay. So let's load this. Boom, you can see this is the administrative end. So how do you retrieve the login, that's the password, and the the login details? So what you do is just come over to your PHP admin, then the folder name, the folder that's BTC Hub. This is how you retrieve the admin login details, right? So this is the admin, open the admin, this is the admin. Okay, so for the Bitcoin wallet address, this way you can edit and put your Bitcoin wallet address. For this, the email, that's the login details. So you are going to edit this and put our own email, which we have already created. Okay, where is it? This is our own email. So I will go ahead and copy this, then place the email on this section. Same goes for the sorry, see what's wrong with my network. Okay, something's wrong with my network, so let me try to reload this. Let me reload this. Alright, so something went wrong with my network, so let me go ahead to do this once more, then click on outside this section. This particular change will take effect. Okay, so we also edit this. Let's say we want to use admin, that's for our password. Then click outside this section to change the password. Okay, click outside here. Okay, I'll change this. You can see we've been able to change that. Okay, so let's now go ahead to log in. Let's quickly go ahead to log in to our administrative end. So you place your password, admin, then click on login. Boom. Hope you've seen that. Okay, hope you've seen that. We have now logged into our administrative panel. Okay, so this is where you can manage your users. Okay, it's still loading, it's still coming up. Awesome. So this is where you can manage your users, right? So the first thing you want to do is come over to the settings. Then for the what you have to input on this section is your site URL. So what's our site URL? Okay, this is our site URL. We copy this. This is our site URL. So let's quickly paste that on this section. Okay. Name. What's the name of our site? Name is Richy Digital Agency. We can also use this for the name. So withdrawal limits, what the withdrawal limits, you can leave this at 200. The registration bonus, whenever you users sign up, right? How much registration bonus do you want to give them? 20%. Okay. The email, where is our email? Let's copy this. That's our email. Let's place that on this section. Okay, so what else? Phone number. You can put any phone number of choice. So for that, okay, you can put any phone number. Let me go with this. Then you'll be like, welcome to Richy Digital Agencies. Okay. Okay, let's say welcome to Richy agency, right? Press this on this section. Let me go ahead and remove this. Welcome to Richy agency. This, okay. Let's also remove this, which is the agency. Okay, so what is this? The copyright year 2022. Choose file. You can add your image on this section. Let's say I want to add let's say I want to add this. Let's say I want to add this. Or let me go with this. Let me say I want to add this as my image. Once I've done that, just click on update settings. Okay, let's click on home, then let's click on settings. Which you've seen how settings has taken effect. So the next thing you want to do is to also come down to admin wallet. So I click on admin wallet. This is where you place your the admin Bitcoin wallet address. This is where you place your address. You know, if you have an Ethereum wallet address, you can also place your Ethereum wallet address. If you have, you place these details, right? So the client to be able to deposit or invest via Bitcoin, right? So once you're done that, you click on upgrade details. You can see details has been successfully updated, right? So the next thing you do is investors management. View investors. View investors. This way you view all investors that are on this site. Okay, you can see all the investors. You can add investors. You can add investors. You have seen that, right? You can add investors. Okay, so you can also verify investors. You can verify investors once they have uploaded their KYC and every other thing. You can choose to verify. You can choose to unverify, right? That's for it. You can also, what else? Okay, let's click on the back button. You can also manage your users. You can manage your user this way. You delete your users. Let's say you don't want this anymore. You don't want this user. Just click on delete. You can delete this user. Okay, when you want to delete this user will be able to log in to his or her account anymore. Hope you've seen that. Requested transaction, this way you approve withdrawal requests and also deposited others, right? So that's for it. Why manage package? This way you manage your package. Okay, you can view less investors package. Okay, no via added package. Okay, these are the package on this section. So you can add package. To add package, what you do is just select, then click on add package. Okay, which package you are going to add now? Let's say package name to be iTunes plans percentage. Let's go with what we have on our site. Okay, percentage 5% daily. 5% daily. So you're gonna select 5. How much for activation bonus? Let's say 10. Package duration, or the package duration 4 days, right? 4 days. For package from 100, packages from 100 to 999. Then when you click on add package, you see this package will be added. Then come down to manage packages, then view added packages. Okay, I've seen that the new package has been added. So what we're gonna do now is let's try to sign up for our account so we can see what the user end looks like. Okay, so let's try to sign up for our account. Okay, then let's say username, let's go with Richard, email, Richy website design, password. What do you want to use our password? Let's say let's use this for my password. Okay, you confirm password. Okay, phone number. Use this for my phone number. Country, Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria. Address. Um, address. Aja. Lots of Aja streets. So I use this for address. Lots of Aja streets. Then accept terms, right? Then you click on sign up. If you have seen that, you have successfully signed up. So you can now go ahead to log in. You put in the login, right? Then sign in. You can now go ahead and sign in. Awesome. You can see this is really beautiful. You can see how beautiful the user dashboard looks like. You can see this where you copy your referral link. If you've seen that, so the first thing your user wants to do is to come to profile, click on wallet details. Okay, so the first thing your client wants to do is to put or set up their Bitcoin wallet address. Let's say I want to use this as a Bitcoin wallet address, or add his Bitcoin or Ethereum address too. Once you have done that, just click on add updates. Okay, add/updates, update wallet. Okay, still loading, it's still coming up. Awesome. Hope you have seen that your wallet has been successfully added. Please log out. Okay, you need to log out, so this can take it first. So let's log out. Okay, let's log in once more. Okay, then log in. Awesome. So let's check the wallet details to see the wallets. Well, if you have been able to add the wallet, you can see the wallet has now been added. Okay, so the next thing your client wants to do is to verify accounts. I want to verify accounts. Okay, so on the account verification, okay, let's also your client wants to verify his account. Let's say I want to go with this. Okay, upload any means of ID. Let's also upload the same. Let's want to upload the same. But when your client puts the wrong image, you can unverify the account. So that's it. Okay, let's take this. You can see investor final verification notes or information. So this is still loading. Alright, so you can see our identity has now fully uploaded. So when the admin log into his dashboard, then come down to investors management, then click on verify investors. Okay, you can see you can now go ahead to verify this KYC. You can also choose to verify, right? So that's how to go about that. Okay, so the next thing is also the next thing there is your clients can be able to security. You can be able to enable or deactivate 12a, right? That's two steps verification, or sorry, two-step authentication. So that's for it. Okay, so the next thing your client wants to do is to make deposit. So let's say your client wants to make deposits. So you can select the mode of payment. You can select to deposit using Ethereum, first money, or Bitcoin, right? So this is the Bitcoin. This is the admin Bitcoin wallet address, which we set up then while we were explaining what goes on the admin end. So the value of the Bitcoin. Let's say you want to deposit 2000 Bitcoin, right? So that's it. When you click on 2000, then paste the Bitcoin transaction ID, then click on deposit. Click on deposit. You can see your deposit of 2000 USD worth of Bitcoin is currently under review. Your transaction your balance will be created once your deposit has been confirmed. So as an admin of the site, so when you come down to requested transactions, deposited orders, you'll see this is the account. Okay, so you can choose to approve this or you can choose to delete this, right? So you can also choose to pay a referral, right? So when you click on approve this transaction, you click on approve, you'll see the 2000 worth of Bitcoin will be credited to this user, right? So where's the user dashboard? Yes, so when this transaction has been approved, you can see when you click on home, just click on home, you can see the 2000 has been created to this user. The $20 was the referral bonus, right? When he signed up for an account. Okay, so that's how you go about it. So now your clients will want to invest in a package. So when you come down to investment package, you can go and invest any of these plans. You can start with this plan. You can start with this plan. You can see package has been successfully selected. Click here to activate. Right. So once you have clicked on this section, you can see how much do you want to invest. How much do you want to invest? You can invest between $100 to $100. So let's say you want to invest $500, right? So when you click on activate, you see your package is successfully activated. You can see how responsive, how robust this system is. You see that? You can see the daily profit is 1%. So every day this user will be getting 1% of the amount which he invested, right? You can see status is now active. This package will end in 10 days, right? You can see the end date. This is the end date. This is the activation date. This is the investment type. Hope you have seen that. So this is really awesome. You can also switch package and end withdrawal, right? So if your clients want to also make withdrawal, you can request for withdrawal based on when you click on, let's say you want to request like say 1000, wants to make withdrawal 1000. When you click on withdraw, you can see your withdrawal request of 1000 USD worth of Bitcoin has been sent to so as an admin, when you come down to requested transactions, withdrawal requests, you're gonna see this notification. Visit, so you can choose to complete, approve this withdrawal or delete. Okay, so when you click on complete, let's open this. You can see, let's now click on home. You can see the withdrawal has been deducted from the total balance, right? So that's it. You can see how robust this system is. This is really awesome. Okay, so the readme message, okay, so whenever admin can send message to this every users, right? So when they send message to every users, you see that on this section, the ticket. You can apply for tickets. If you have any complaint, you can message admin. Okay, you can write to the admin. Transaction logs, this way you view your transactions, that occurs on your account. So you've seen this was the deposits that we made. This was the withdrawal, right? So this is really awesome and beautiful. So that's how we go about this. Everything you need in a 5D Bitcoin website is in this site, and this is really, really beautiful. This admin can send a message to clients. Okay, so this is really awesome. So that's where we call it a wrap. I think we are done. Okay, so if you need access to this script, if you need access to the software that we used to develop this script, okay, so what you have to do is to check the bio. Okay, I will leave a link. Okay, so follow the link, you get, once you make purchase for this script, you get this script. Anytime you make payments for it, you get this script, right? So you can go ahead and charge your client between 500k to a million naira to get this done for your client, right? Okay, so this really awesome. This is really awesome. So if this is your first time being on the channel, I appreciate you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out wherever we drop awesome content like this. Okay, so before I forget, let me also show you the email notifications. When your clients register, definitely you get mails. Okay, whenever any transaction is being performed. Okay, so let's check the email notifications to see if you can see this really beautiful. You can see all the transaction has been coming in, everything has been coming in. You have seen that, so this is really beautiful. Okay, you can see. Thank you for your strong wish to this agency. Blah, 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 blah. So the mails is how they keep coming in. This is how they keep coming in. Package activated. So you keep getting mails, keep receiving mails. Withdrawal recruitment. So this is really beautiful and awesome. Okay, so everything you need in a 5-day website is available on this site. So go ahead and design this site for your client and make good revenues from it. Okay, so thank you guys and see you on the next one.